Hello everyone. Education is the most powerful weapon which can use to change the world. In this quote, today I am going to start a subject CS3551 Distributed Computing. I am Ramya, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Nanda College of Technology. Today we are going to see the topics here. First one, definition of distributed computing. The next one, distributed computing process. Next one, example. Next, characteristics. Next one, advantages and disadvantages of distributed computing. The last topic is difference between parallel computing and distributed computing. Next, what is distributed computing? Distributed computing is the method of making multiple computers work together to solve a common problem. So, multiple computers can work and solve a common problem. So, this is a definition of distributed computing. So, distributed computing can communicate and coordinate their actions only by passing messages. So you can see here, so here so many systems are here. So in this one particular server is here. So here one system, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6 systems are here. So only one server is connected here. So one server can communicate with all other 6 systems and then do a work, complete their work. So only communicate with actions using passing messages. So this is distributed computing. So next one, distributed computing process. So in this distributed computing process, here node 1, node 2, node 3. So these data are commonly stored in a particular one server. So on the other side, node 1, node 2, node 3. So these data are stored in another server. These two servers are commonly connected as a network. Okay. So this is a distributed computing process. So the next topic is online banking transaction for 10 million users. So here 10 million users can do a banking transaction at same time means it's very difficult. So what we can do, so one server can share their same work to other related systems and then the both all the systems are communicate with only passing messages. So this is example of online banking transaction. The next topic is characteristics. What are the characteristics of distributed computing? So it is concurrency, no global clock, independent failures, autonomy and heterogeneity. The next one, what are the advantages and disadvantages of distributed computing? So the advantages is first one, so we are using more systems means that is enhanced performance. This is first one. Then it is improved security, flexibility and scalability, low latency, cost effectiveness, expanded storage, increased reliability. These are the advantages of distributed computing. So some disadvantages also that. So this first one, bandwidth restrictions and then slow network transfers, maintenance fees, component failure, systems complexity, issues with standardization, development obstacles. These are the some disadvantages of distributed computing. So the next one is difference between parallel computing and distributed computing. So what is parallel computing and what is distributed computing? So first I am going to tell you what is distributed computing. So in this distributed computing, so each processor can have each memory. So one processor having one memory. So like that, one processor having one memory, this each and every processor and memory can connected with that other processor and memory, so they can communicate only passing messages. So this is distributed computing. But parallel computing, it means, so we having three processor means the three processor can go to save a common memory, so that is a parallel computing. So this is the difference between parallel computing and distributed computing. So these are the topics are today we are going to learn. So first one, distributed computing definition. What is distributed computing? Next one, distributed computing process. Then what are the characteristics are we are going to learn. Advantages and disadvantages of distributed computing. Then what is the difference between parallel computing and distributed computing? These are the topics are today we are learned that. So next class we are going to learn new topic. So the topic name is relation to computer system components and message passing systems. So thank you. We will meet you in next class. So everyone subscribe, click bell symbol, then only you will get notification symbol. Thank you.